Meanwhile, with the cat. Ding! 4th grade. Oh, we gotta go, Bunny. Bye. Chica's already gone. We gotta go, Bunny. So, music. Yes. So, please line up for music. Okay. I got first in line. I'm just kidding. The music teacher will be coming in. Hello. Today we are going to learn music in here. We are going to listen to some sounds, and you guys will have to guess what they are. I guess that's kind of cool. Now merge your desks together. Oh man. Yep, merge your desks together. You heard what I said. Oh, baseball. Oh, balls. Oh, balls. Oh, balls. Okay, so. Alright, so what are we gonna do? Guess the music. Well, so what are we gonna do? We're gonna do guess the music. And, yeah. We're not gonna do the whole thing. Okay.
Secret's out. This is the next step for sensitive skin.
I think it's a secret commercial.
Hey Blitzers, welcome back to Quiz Blitz. Let's start a very special quiz. Can you guess 32 songs?
Oh, sorry. Oh,
Before starting, please subscribe to the
make it louder. Okay. I can't. As loud as it can get.
Get started with one of my favorites. Wednesday. No, actually, the pig. The pig. I'm guessing the pig. Wednesday.
Oh no, I got it wrong.
Round 2.
It's again the frog guy. Yeah, the frog guy. I don't need no light to see you die. Yay! Crazy frog. Alright, this song is really annoying. This song is annoying. You said it, Marty. Okay, what song is this? Oh, that's Ken! Yeah. That's definitely Ken. We watched the Barbie movie. That's Ken. That's so Ken. That literally. No.
Ken.
Yay! Oh, look. Okay. Yeah, Ken. Alright. Who's this? That's Peach. Right. Except that John even likes me. But whatever. Dog, skibbity, dog, dog, dog.
What a song.
Peachy.
Listen carefully and guess who's singing.
Alright.
But
Mr. Beast! Mr. Beast! Yeah, that's Mr. Beast. Mr. Beast. Mr. Beast. Mr. Breast.
who's next?
Elsa, the little kid show. Yeah, the little baby show. I mean, it's kind of good. Yeah. In some ways, it's good, except it makes me feel Chuck E. Cheese because I went to Chuck E. Cheese after I watched the movie. Yes. No!
Are you ready? Listen carefully.
Bulletproof, nothing to lose. Fire away.
Megan! Yeah, that's probably Megan. Mugen.
Megan.
Yeah, what is your frame, Megan? Because she's a robot? Oh. She's like a doll.
Let's keep going. 3, 2, 1.
Alright, let's do this. Sonic. Sonic.
Sonic. Next song.
That's a skibbity dop dop. Yeah, that's skibbity
The
dop.
better singer.
Get buddy. Get buddy. Skibbity but. Yes, yes, yes. Skibbity butt. Why, what's really funny
Listen
to you?
carefully. And guess who's singing?
I'm pointing up.
You burped and then he fell down.
Huh?
When you burped and he fell down.
The cat. Yeah, wait, there's two cats. The orange cat.
Wednesday cat versions.
Foxy, did you burp again? Did you burp one of your toxic burps? Yeah.
Let's move on to the next one.
Ow, my face planted on the
Anyways, guys, so I am going to ask you some questions about songs that you have to learn, that you must have learned. So, let me put it up at the board. And now, tell me what you have learned today.
We have learned some songs.
How? Can you sing one of those songs?
Meow, 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 meow.
Thank you, and goodbye, Mr. Orville. All right, now it is recess. Already. All right. Please go and have some doo-doo fun.
Yeah, let's do this.
Yes!
Yay! Buddy, I'm ready to play with the cat. Except, where is he?
Oh, he's right there. He's still over there. Is this place still off limits?
Yep.
Aww.
Meow, meow, meow.
Oh, I almost went into the
Oh
garbage.
my god. Hey guys, look at my new balloon I got. What are you doing? No!
Oh my god. Fox, you're like the CEO of burping people off.
Hello. What the heck?
You just went. You just went. You just went. You just went.
Hello, Foxy.
Bruh. What is happening?
I have no idea.
Hey. What is up?
Oh.
Hey.
Hey, burp, and then trap me in there.
Okay.
No, I can only smell I can only smell the stinky burp. Or is that Why are you? I can't stop. Hey, skibbity dum 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 dum. Yes.
Hey, look, there's a mouse climbing on you. Oh, Scottish fold.
He's running around all school. Hey, cat. What are you doing?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah, come back. I think I'm too scary.
Foxy keeps burping on command. Like he literally burped Blue Foxy away. Like he burped and he flew away.
Okay. So, wait, you two are haters.
Oh no! Yeah.
What's up, Chica?
I'm so bad at lying. That was such a pathetic burp.
Oh, you really think that?
That wasn't as big as your biggest burp. I just made a squeaky sound. Oh, Bonnie, are you okay? He's gonna eat it. I'm laughing because it's too funny. Wait a minute.
I can burp my stuff away. Bunny, what are you doing? Oh.
I'm crying because you're burping out my eyes.
Yikes!
Oh no, he's going into the cat dog. Meanwhile, with the teachers. Guys, where did Bonnie go?
I have no idea.
Oh, I'm right here. Are you serious? You ate him?
I can attract people by my burp. Look, I'm gonna attract Chica.
Hey, try to eat me with your burp again.
Okay.
What was that for?
Oh, you wanna see more? Okay.
You did a second bubble burp.
Oh, you really think that?
Second bubble burp. I need to go take a shower.
You're about to die.